It's a great honor for LATU, the institution I represent, to participate in this important event, the 12th China Testing, Inspection and Certification Development Forum and Exhibition. We are aware that this is the most influential activity in the testing, inspection and certification industry, attended by leaders from governmental organizations and industry, making it a unique and valuable opportunity for key stakeholders of the TIC industry. So it's a privilege for me to address this distinguished audience. First, some words about LATU. The Technological Laboratory of Uruguay, LATU, is a non-state public law organization created in 1965 to provide services to the production chain. LATU is a national and international reference in innovation, technology transfer, and value solutions in analytical services, conformity assessment, metrology, and technological services. It promotes the scientific and entrepreneurial culture, as well as the development of technological platforms. For over 50 years, LATU has supported the development of Uruguay's production through services provided to the industrial and agro-industrial chains, including dairy and forestry products, textile, cereals, oil seeds, and their byproducts, collaborating to introduce our production into the most demanding markets all over the world. It offers a wide range of analytical services accredited by the Uruguayan Accreditation Organization as well as the United Kingdom Accreditation Services, the UCAS. Its quality management system based on ISO 9001, the environmental policy through ISO 14001, and the occupational health and safety policy based on ISO 14001 are all certified by the Swiss Association for Quality and Management, SQS. The state relies on LATU in several key issues, as inspection and quality control of incoming products, from food to toys, environmental control, and technical support of the industrial promotion schemes. We also have a research foundation called Latitude, devoted to research, development, and innovation that develops projects required by the needs of the country and the industries. Now, I would like to mention a successful example about LATU and Chinese institutions working together. In 1993, LATU began its relationship with CIQSA, the State Administration for Entry, Exit, Inspection and Quarantine of the People's Republic of China. We had the honor of signing an agreement in the People's Great Palace in Beijing, with the presence of their excellencies, the State President of the People's Republic of China, Jiang Zemin, and the State President of Uruguay, Luis Alberto Lacalle. The first area we worked together was wool inspection and testing. We had the presence in Uruguay of CIQSA auditors who evaluated the performance of the LATU wool laboratory during a long time. Given the good results achieved, an agreement was reached whereby the People's Republic of China recognizes LATU's certification in that field. Let's talk now about what we have already achieved and what we expect for the future in our relationship with KQ Test. In June 2020, was signed the Memorandum of Understanding between LATU and the Chinese Academy of Inspection Quarantine Comprehensive Test Center Group. The objective of this memorandum was to set out a framework for further development of collaboration between LATU and KQ for their own interest and mutual benefit. For LATU, the work carried out so far with KQ Test is highly successful. The parties found strength in the framework agreement, which allowed the subsequent study of an intercomparison project between our laboratories, carrying out the analysis required for the milk powder exports to China, achieving satisfactory results. This experience is only a beginning of what the links with KQ-Test could become through joint experiences and potential specific agreements. As it was stated in the MOU, we can go further in our cooperation on improving each party's understanding on respective regulatory system of food production chain to enable both parties to have deep understanding of the essence of food safety and quality from farm to fork, based on different regulatory systems. Also, taking the first dairy analysis experience as a reference, we can move towards joint work on comprehensive technical solutions, including the sector's pre- and post-production processes. We can even explore, in the next future, the possibilities for our two institutions working together in other countries of Latin America. Advancing forward in that direction, LATU has invited KQ-Test to visit Uruguay, aiming to have a deeper and more detailed communication, facilitate the standards harmonization in terms of import-export, and help the Uruguayan industry understand Chinese standards. During the visit, KQ-Test will have the opportunity to see and understand how LATU is operating the national labs and could exchange its laboratory quality control system, management control system, and other laboratory-related information. Finally, our greatest aim as an institution that, besides other activities, supports the Uruguayan export sector is to generate confidence in the Chinese authorities and institutions based on our analysis and test results. As an exporting country, we know that international trade must be based on reliable results accredited by international recognized institutions. LATU, with its capabilities, can be a partner in this challenge. To conclude, I would like to express the importance that means this excellent relationship between KQ-Test and LATU and how it could contribute to the feasible signature of the future free trade agreement between China and Uruguay that will open new opportunities for both countries. Thank you very much.